How would you like to receive unexpected money in 24 hours or less using 3 easy steps and the law of attraction? Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing, and be sure and click the bell icon because we're here all the time to empower your life with the law of attraction. So high flyers, one of the keys is to believe that attracting money fast, 24 hours or less, is easy. Now, the majority of the world believes it's difficult, but you are going to choose to believe that it's easy. And when you believe anything is easy, it becomes easy. I mean, that's how it works. That's exactly how the law of attraction works. Hey, I want to remind you to visit our special site, miraclehypnosisonline.com, and claim your 7 days absolutely free. We have the latest mind technology audio programs there that are designed to help you do anything that you desire to do. Relationships, money, business, sleep better, lose weight. It's all there. miraclehypnosisonline.com. So high flyers, one of the things I said is that we're going to do this in 3 easy steps. So count them. Number 1 is positive expectation. You see, when you bring in this positive expectation where you know that you know that you know, you're absolutely certain. When you're in that mind frame, you become a magnetic force. You're attracting opportunities. You're attracting coincidences. You're attracting people. You're attracting money. You're attracting all kinds of wonderful things that are going to help you attract the money you desire in 24 hours or less. I mean, you believe it's easy. That wasn't even on the list. You got to believe it's easy. Every creation, high flyers, every creation comes through positive expectation. At some level, you believe something is possible. You believe it's possible to start a new business. You believe it's possible to earn $1 million in 1 year. You believe that it's possible. And because you believe it's possible and you believe it's easy, it becomes easy and it becomes your new reality. So let me give you an example of a client of mine. This client had rent to pay and rent was due, but his car completely just broke down. So it was a choice between getting his car fixed so that he could continue to go to work or pay his rent. What was he going to do? He chose positive expectation. He didn't know how, he didn't know when, he didn't know why, but he knew that he could magnetize the help that he needed. So he decided to bring the car into the shop. They said the work was going to be $1,800 or $1,900, a lot of money. Okay. He brought the car into the shop, and guess what happened? When he went to pick up his car, they said the manufacturer had paid for it all because it was kind of on a, I don't know what they call it, a recall list or something like that. It was on a list where the manufacturer was paying for the repair. He didn't have to pay for anything. High flyers, $1,900 in his pocket within 12 hours because of positive expectation, because he totally believed that the money he needed would somehow show up. High flyers, when you recognize that money is too damn easy to make in 24 hours or less, and you start saying that affirmation to yourself over and over and over again. Money for me is too damn easy to make in 24 hours or less. When you say it, when you fall asleep saying it, when you go through the day saying it, when you infuse it in your energy field and let it become part of who you are, then that becomes your reality. So another true story. The landlord showed up at this guy's apartment and said, "You're going to be out of here by the end of the day. I'm showing up with the sheriff. That's it." So this gentleman said, "What do I do? What do I do?" I invoke positive expectation. I'm so positive, I'm going to go downtown and buy myself a nice dinner. I'm going to buy myself a new hat. I'm going to buy myself an ice cream cone. And then on top of it, I'm going to buy a nice big cigar. I'm celebrating the money that is coming into my life so that I'm not out on the streets. He got back, and there's the sheriff, and there's the landlord, and he's behind months and months and months of rent. And they're ready to throw him out. But guess what? There's a knock at the door. Who is it? Who is it? It's an old friend that he loaned a pile of money to 5 years earlier. And guess what? This friend was back to repay his debt. Unbelievable. Call it a miracle. Call it whatever you want. He paid the debt and, well, he didn't get evicted. And that's how it works. That's how it works. I'm excited about it. Aren't you excited? Because you're going to have more money in your pocket in 24 hours or less. Choose right now. Choose to live in a state of positive expectation. Number 2, told you there are 3 steps. Number 2, connect to source energy and have clear intentions and speak to your partner. Speak to source energy. Remember, you're a co-creator of your reality. So speak to the universe and say, "This is my intention. This is my need. I know you will fulfill it. I know." Say it right. Oh, come on. You've got to say it right. I know. I'm absolutely certain that you will fulfill it. That you will somehow, in some unexpected way, put money in my pocket in 24 hours or less. That's how it happens. Number 3, gratitude. And don't underestimate this. When you are in a state of gratitude, your whole energy field changes, your whole vibration shifts, and all of a sudden, everything that seemed difficult, everything that seemed impossible, everything that seemed a challenge now becomes easy. Allow the energy, the money to flow into your life by feeling this unlimited sense of gratitude. I'm grateful for the money I have received in 24 hours or less. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.